Hey folks, so when looking into creating a homepage, there are several options for this. Now you can choose either one of the five templates that we offer and make some adjustments to that, or you can create your own homepage from scratch using the default page template options. So in this video, we'll discuss some of the options that we have within one of the following homepages. Alright, so as we've mentioned earlier, there are five different layouts for us to choose from. Once you click on quick view, you have a quick preview of what that home page will consist out of. So let's select one of these pages. Let's go with type D. It has a little bit more content here. And once the following preview loads, go ahead, click on apply template. There we go. And we have all of these sections loaded. So for the top section, which is our slideshow area, there are three different slideshow types for us to choose from. Then we also have some additional settings for each specific slideshow. So this can be a little bit extensive in terms of explanations. That's why we're going to have a separate video on slideshows specifically. Alright, so at this point, we'll skip the entire set of settings that we have for the slideshow just to kind of keep things a little bit shorter in terms of videos. Alright, so let's minimize this and we'll head on over to text column, items, grid, and so forth. Now, as any other block within our theme, everything here is pretty simple and I'd say quite self-explanatory as well. We have three sections here at the top. There is a section called specific, which is specific to that area that you'll be editing. So you'll adjust your title font, and then your text. And then also you can adjust the text font as well. If you click on margins, here you can adjust the paddings for the top and bottom on desktop and then on mobile devices as well. Heading over to miscellaneous, this area is also pretty extensive. It's more for advanced users where you can create some custom JavaScript code, custom CSS, create block IDs for one-page websites, but this is not something that's going to be used a lot by the average user, except for maybe this option here where you can enable or disable certain sections on mobile or desktop devices. Okay, so let's go back to the following specifics area. Once again, this section is very simple. You simply adjust the fonts. As we scroll down, we can take a look into the items grid. We'll click here to unfold our settings. We have the same three sections at the top, though as we scroll down we have additional items for us to adjust. We have our background color, text color. We then have our title that shows up right over here of the top of our block. As we scroll down, we can make font adjustments and text adjustments as well. So all of these areas are very simple. In section B, here you can select one of your blog posts that you want to showcase within this particular area. So at this point you can see that I have only 3 posts, so it'll be gallery shortcode, which is a draft, and then hello world, and whatever I have here, testing and tile gallery. So add in your blog posts, select the items that you want to add, choose whether or not you want to display the date, and so forth. So once again, the concept for editing all of these blocks are very similar. Simply expand your settings, make the required and necessary adjustments for your colors, your fonts, layouts, upload an image where that is necessary, and that's pretty much it. And if you do want to add additional blocks to the homepage, so let's say we've provided you with a homepage template, you like the layout, however there is a certain section that is lacking, click on add block and you can choose one of the following. I believe we have 27 additional blocks that you can add to your homepage. So once you've added a certain block, what you can do is also drag it around into any preferred order. So let's say featured links, we would want to move this all the way to the top. Let's say right underneath our slideshow, we need to drag it. It would be a lot easier if you actually minimized all of these settings just to make the process a lot easier. That's something that I didn't do essentially. There we go. Yeah, so just minimize all of that and it'll be much easier for you to drag and drop your content. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So, I mean, editing home pages is just a standard page. All of the content is relatively the same, or should I say, all of the content settings are relatively the same. It's just a matter of uploading your image, adjusting the text and the font settings, color settings, and that's pretty much it. So I hope everything makes sense here, and in our next video we'll do some more detailed reviews of adding in our slideshows, and then we're also going to discuss the default page template where that has more options for us to work with. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys around later.